create an easy infinity scarf. You will need a 72 by 22 inches fabric, scissors, pins, and a sewing machine. First thing to do is to cut your fabric into 72 by 22 inches. I actually use CVC cotton since it is soft and thick, but you may use any fabric that you prefer. Next, fold your fabric in half, right sides together, and pin the long raw edges. Now you have to sew along the edges. I had to tie the fabric just to make sure that it's sewn straight because the fabric is kinda heavy and slippery that it keeps on pulling itself down. Grab the end and turn the tube halfway. Once the two ends meet, you have to match them and then pin along the edges. Leave a 3 inches opening and mark it using pen or fabric chalk. Next is that you need to sew the edges and leave the 3 inches mark opening so that we can turn the fabric right side out later. Again, sew along the edges and don't forget to leave the 3 inches opening. Now, you have to turn the fabric right side out through the opening. And here's the opening. You have to close it using top stitch or invisible stitch. And here's the final piece. There you have it. Hope you like this video.
Scarf tutorial. Sana po may natutunan kayo for today, and again, this is Joanna from Luna Creations. Click like, share, and subscribe, and hope you watch the next vlog. Thank you so much. Bye!